Good evening, guests, as well as all distinguished board members and Mr. Wells. The reason why we were all here this evening. We gather this evening to congratulate Mr. Wells, a man that has worked half of his life to make it out of poverty, climb the corporate ladder, and to become CFO of one of the biggest companies in the world. So congratulations. A couple years back, Mr. Wells and I had the opportunity to sit down, and I asked him how he got to where he was today. He said his life had not always been the luxury that it is today, and that was a couple years ago. He said that he did have to fight. He did have to grind. He did have to learn from some mistakes that not per se his family put him through, but that the struggle was there. But it made him the person that he is today. It made him better. With him having to learn from those mistakes, it made him push his children just that much harder to make them achieve their goals. With him having to achieve his goals and push himself, he's been able to work his way up that corporate ladder, as I stated in the beginning. He's worked his way up from the bottom to the top. As I stated in the beginning as well, he is now becoming the CFO of one of the top companies in the world. Not without struggle. The struggle has been there. As they say today, the struggle is real. And that is something that he's mentioned to me many, many times. The struggle is real. But with that being said, it has brought him into a seat, into a position that he has driven for a very, very, very long time, being the CFO, a Chief Financial Officer, which he has told me is his dream job, and is a family livelihood that will make a lasting impression. And Mr. Wells, over the years, you and I have spoken about many, many things. And some of them I've mentioned today. I've mentioned the poverty. I've mentioned the corporate ladder. I've mentioned you becoming a CFO. And I just want to congratulate you. And I want to wish you success. And I want to say thank you, because I know that there is much, much more to come, and I cannot wait to follow you and see where your leadership will lead me and will help lead other people. Thank you.